Hi, so today we're gonna cook some steamed greens and potatoes, and we'll be using this, which is a really handy tool, kind of. You basically just put water in and plug it in, and after you've prepped the ingredients, you just wait. So let's get on doing that. Oh, I've just added the legumes and I'm waiting for them to cook. There's like water underneath, not straight underneath, but in here, like inside. So yeah, very easy. The steamed greens are ready. Now we're doing the mushrooms. I like small mushrooms, like baby red. Yeah, personally prefer these. And this is it. The mushrooms, they're so simple, yet they came out so delicious. I put a lot of pepper because I like spicy food. And yeah, it's delicious. Very, very nice. It's raining. It's nice, really nice. I love it how the light bounces off the building. The train just passed by earlier, a few seconds ago, and I think another one is coming, so I can show you how it looks, how the light shines from it. See? I'm not sure. Oh, it's going down. Ah. Such a beautiful light. And the rain, it just feels so fresh, even in a city. showing you a raw extract from my new book I'm working on, and trying not to reveal too much, but yeah.